Okay, anti-collision.
On.
Speedostatic.
Is on.
Anti-ice.
Is not required.
Ignition.
They're both on.
Transponder.
Is 3577 TARA.
Annunciator panel.
Is clear as at ground idle takeoff. If I runway heading 10,000 feet, I do a rolling takeoff.
Okay.
Time checks on half an hour. Doing the same check, we're checking for 150 degrees and identify the correct runway.
I see 150 coming up. 150 check.
Checks, takeoff.
Airspeed is alive.
Check.
$80 knots cross check. B1. Rotate. Show a positive rate.
Gear up, please.
Citation 5 Echo Alpha, contact departure. Have a nice day.
Over to departure 365 Echo Alpha. 400 feet.
Lips up, the Olympia.
Departure citation 365 Echo Alpha, 1000 climbing, 10,000.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, bang departure, radar contact, turn right direct Albany.
Right direct Albany 365 Echo Alpha.
Right direct Albany checks. And once we're stable, I'll call for the after takeoff checks. We're now here in nav capture mode.
Yeah.
Going direct, so the flight director will guide me to intercept the direct course to Albany. We're at 200 knots now, and then I'll accelerate to 230 knots.
Okay.
Doing 3,500 feet a minute. Good. Okay, we are on the heading now. I accelerate to 230. The after takeoff checks, please.
Okay, landing gear.
Is up.
Landing lights.
They're off.
Flaps.
They're up and indicating.
Ignition.
Back to normal.
Climb power.
Is set for the current temperature.
Engine sync.
It's on.
Yaw damper.
Is engaged.
Passenger advisory lights.
We switch them off at 10,000.
Anti-collision lights.
That's good. And anti-ice we don't need. It's only below 5 degrees.
Okay, altimeters are set.
Yeah, that checks.
And cockpit temperature select.
That's to auto. This goes in here. Yeah.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, climb maintain 16,000.
Climb maintain 16,000, 365 Echo Alpha.
Number 401 KBHB IFR cancellation, received your call to basis.
I see 16,000.
That's at 913. Previous round reported base is at minimums. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, clear ILS runway 22 approach per hour. That's at 369, turn right, heading 190, intercept the localizer, maintain 3,000. Number 365 Echo Alpha, fly heading 280 vector for traffic, and expect direct Kennebunk in 10 miles.
Fly heading 280, 365 Echo Alpha.
Approach Wisconsin 3891, 15,000 is saying 11,000 information, Romeo. If we can just get a few degrees to the left for some buildup.
Wisconsin 3891, banger approach, banger altimeter 2964. Can you accept the 090 heading for traffic?
Yeah, we need about 5 miles before we turn that heading for Wisconsin 3891.
Wisconsin 3891, roger, and maintain 1000 and advise when you can.
On heading mode 280.
1000 will let you know Wisconsin 3891.
That's at 913, report cancellation of IFR on this frequency, change your advisory frequency approved.
Very strong rain. I'll put the ignitions to on just to be prepared for a possible flame out. expedite the climb. Doing 4,000 feet a minute now, 5,000 feet a minute to get above this. There we are. Ignitions can go back to normal.
Wisconsin 3091, we could take the 090 heading now if you still need it.
Wisconsin 3091, fly heading 090.
090 heading Wisconsin 3091.
Wisconsin 3091, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000 Wisconsin 3891.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, turn left right, Kennebuck.
Alpha Echo Alpha, we have on Albany, on our flight plan, Albany, the Valve 4.
And 365 Echo Alpha, affirmative, clear direct Albany.
Direct Albany, thanks, perfect.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, contact Boston Center, 124.25, good day.
124.25, good day. 365 Echo Alpha.
Descend and maintain 11,000, Bangor altimeter 2965.
Pretty impressive, huh?
Yeah. Albany 365 Echo Alpha leaving 14,000, climbing 16,000.
November 365 Echo Alpha, climb maintain flight level 230.
Climb maintain flight level 230, 365 Echo Alpha.
I see level 230, thank you.
I was saying a little over 5,000 feet per minute before.
Yeah, but
Gamma Jet 550, advise the next controller, contact Boston Center on 134.7.
we are trading off speed for that, so that's...
Okay.
Impressive, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, with this safe procedure, so we're going to enter and direct. Here we go. Would have otherwise penetrated this.
AC 4501, Boston Center on 134.7.
Boston, good afternoon. Falcon 666, Romeo 8500 for 10,000.
I have reduced the climb speed rate, climb rate now to 500 feet a minute to have the airplane accelerate to their nominal.
Oh, okay.
Climb speed.
November 666 Tango Romeo, climb maintain flight level 200.
Up to flight level 2006 Tango Romeo.
Okay, now I got multiple aircraft calling me. I'd like to talk to 365 Echo Alpha, go to Boston Center 134.905.
3495, 365 Echo Alpha.
494 Echo Charlie, you're with me climbing at 23?
We're with you climbing at 23. Did you give us a frequency also?
No, I did not.
Boston Center, Citation 365 Echo Alpha, leaving 17,500, climbing flight level 230.
Citation 365 Echo Alpha, Boston Center, climb and maintain flight level 280.
Climb and maintain flight level 280, 365 Echo Alpha.
I see 280, we're going to standard, we're checking also pressurization is good, going to standard, 2992, and we read each other what we read here, 18.2, checks. The fuel burns are still very, very high here, 5 degrees, we are burning about 900, that's 150, almost 150 gallons a side, per engines of 300 gallons. A lot of fuel, yeah. Almost 1,200 liters per hour. 20 liters per minute is really a lot, yeah. At high altitude, level 410, 430, these drop to 500. So almost by half your gas mileage, your miles per or like the Germans express this, your kilometers per, or how many liters you need per 100 kilometers, this number increases or gets much better. with altitudes. Almost efficiency is doubles with altitude. So even on short legs, we fly as high as we possibly can, do a short ballistic flight.
November 494, Charlie with you, flight level.
Fuel efficient and also time efficient, because our true airspeed increases 2% per 1,000 feet. At the moment we have an indicated airspeed of 230, and our true airspeed is already 330. And at high altitude, it's close to a ratio of, you have an indicated airspeed of 160,
494 Alpha Charlie, climb and maintain,
and you have a true airspeed of 380, so more than twice. If our flight level is not enough to top this clouds here, we'll ask for higher.
Okay.
Temperature is now 0 degrees. Our maximum cruise and maximum climb power would be 97.5%. We are at 97.1, so we are safe. Always stay a little bit under this. And from now on, I'm watching the ram air temperature and have a table here to adjust the power accordingly. And you see also we have these bold numbers here and the other numbers. One is for anti-ice on, where we're taking bleed air out of the engine compressors and heat certain elements of the wings, certain elements of the engine intakes, and also we use this for this windshield de-ice. And because of that, we have to reduce the maximum powers. So there's two values. One is without engine ice, and one is with engine ice. Modern aircraft like the Phenom 100 or the Citation II Plus, they have so-called FedEx controlled engines, digitally controlled engines. You have a detent in your throttle, it says MCT, maximum continuous thrust. You click it in the detent and the computer will do all these calculations for you and set the maximum power for that given condition. Asking for 340, and then we should definitely top that.
365 Echo Alpha request, flight level 340.
365 Echo Alpha, climb and maintain, flight level 340.
340, 365 Echo Alpha.
Just dial it in, please. I decided that it doesn't level off, yeah? 340, see that? But I'm going to put the engine anti-ice on. And now we have this light coming on. That means the wings are still too cold. We start pumping hot air into the wings. And the right side is already heated up sufficiently, although the temperature is about 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
Those are heating up the wings.
They're heating up the wings, yeah. And now both lights have extinguished. It means we have a safe temperature at the inner parts of the wings. The outer parts are still boots, but the inner parts of the wings are bleed air heated.
Exit 143, and you can deviate left and
so now we're on the descent profile.
When you can
to
go
be across 55 miles this side of the position vegan at 240. It requires 2,100 feet.
Hello, Boston.
Descent rate. We are perfectly
410.
on that profile.
372 Boston Center, Rising. November 365 Echo Alpha, contact Boston Center 121.35.
121.35, 365 Echo Alpha.
AC 4162, descend and maintain, flight level 240.
Flight level 240, AC 4.
Center 365 Echo Alpha, 292, descending 240.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, Boston Center, Roger, send a maintain, hold 220.
Send a maintain 220, 365 Echo Alpha.
Austin Gulfstream 502, Quebec Sierra is 263 for 240.
220,
Number
that's
502, Quebec Sierra,
220, so we are now released from the
200.
crossing restriction.
Didn't mean to cut your partner off there.
Just doing 2,000 feet a minute. to flight level 220, the cabin is
Boston,
set.
jet speed 725, 15,000, climbing 17,000.
Jet speed 725, Boston Center, rudder. AC 4162, descend to maintain 16,000, Albany altimeter 2949er.
16,049 on a meter, AC 4162, thanks.
And we can look for the landing numbers. I expect to land with about 13,000 pounds.
Number 365, Echo Alpha, descend to maintain, flight level 210.
I have the radius.
Descending flight level 210, 5 Echo Alpha.
210 set.
Okay, it's X-ray, wind is 230 at 12, gust 15, 29er 51, VOR Alpha approach 26.
Sounds good. It's going to be very bumpy on landing.
Alright.
If you can set this up, do the landing numbers. You need that printout here? Yep. And you can use the actual temperature on the ground.
Level 280.
That's 27.
280, jet speed 725.
27
Number
degrees.
365, Echo Alpha, descend to maintain, flight level 190.
Descending level 190, 5 Echo Alpha.
Number 502, Quebec Sierra.
190.
2 Quebec Sierra, contact Boston Center 132.45, Echo Alpha, contact Boston Center 132.65.
13265, 5 Echo Alpha. Hello Boston, November 365 Echo Alpha, level 195 for 190.
Citation 365 Echo Alpha, Boston Center, Roger, descend and maintain 17,000, the Albany altimeter 29er 49er.
17,000, 29er, 49er, 5 Echo Alpha.
On use here, it's 17,000. If you would set your altimeter to 2949, please. Pretty low, yeah.
Citation 365 Echo Alpha, descend and maintain 12,000.
Descending 12,000, 5 Echo Alpha. Boston, good afternoon, H4162.
12,000 is set, and you have the radius from now on.
12,000, I have the radius.
AC 4162, Boston Center, Roger, the Albany altimeter 29er 49er.
49, thanks.
Citation 365 Echo Alpha, contact Boston Center 128.1.
128.1, 365 Echo Alpha.
So might be able to cancel as well, eh?
I'll get it for you in a second.
Okay.
Boston Center, Citation 365 Echo Alpha, leaving 14,800, descending 12,000.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, Boston Center, Roger, KBHB altimeter 2948.
2948, 365 Echo Alpha.
2948. What was the weather conditions? Alright, do I have got on?
Tower information, X-ray observation time 1. Just the 15, visibility unrestricted, few clouds at 3,000, broken ceiling 3,800. Temperature 27, dew point 19er, altimeter 2951. Expect VOR Alpha, characterized frequencies runway 26. Notices and advisories. Carmel VOR unusable between the 112 and 142 radio. Use caution for bird and wildlife activity around the airfield and hazardous weather information for the New York information available from flight log.
Yep, we stay IFR.
VOR approach to Danbury.
Yeah, go ahead.
VOR frequency is 116.6, so have that in your box. Our course is 051.
Tracks. 051. Great with me. 051 checks.
051. Going across the VOR at 2,000 feet, which is 6.8 DME.
Just 1 second, I want to call.
5 Echo Alpha, request direct Kingston for weather, please, or 20 left.
Number 365 Echo Alpha, deviation once course is approved, direct to Valerie when able.
Direct Valerie, thank you, 5 Echo Alpha.
That's
And November 365 Echo Alpha, just for my curiosity, how far left do you need a DB?
I think we can do direct Valverde, that's good. We just had a cell in front of us and request descent as well, please.
Very good, and I will lower for you in about 6 miles.
Thank you.
Go ahead with the briefing, please.
Alright. So we're gonna, minimum altitude is 2,000. And our MDA is 1380.
Yeah, it's a circle to land, so we're using category C, so 1380, yeah.
Saratoga 9269 Foxtrot.
Basically a circle to land approach.
And it's 9265 Foxtrot.
9269 Foxtrot is level at 9,500. Southeast or
And once you cross
of Albany.
6.8 DME from the VOR, we're going to send down to 13.
Direct Albany, VFR, requesting flight
this
follow.
approach will be
9269 Foxtrot, stay
climbing left turn to 3,000.
9,500 level.
Carmel radio
again.
043, the Andal intersection, which is 11.2 DME, and hold.
That sounds good to me. Okay, frequencies are selected 16.6 for Carmel, yep. And also descent, please.
Capt 79, Boston Center Roger, the Poughkeepsie altimeter 2948.
2948, Delta 79.
365 Echo Alpha, request descent.
365 Echo Alpha, descend to maintain 6,000.
Descend to maintain 6,000, 365 Echo Alpha.
Checks. So that brings us below these clouds here. Lights go on back, and speed is 250 knots below 10.
Number 9269 Foxtrot, contact Boston Center now, 134.3.
134.3 for 69 Foxtrot, thank you.
Increase the rate of descent to 3,000 feet a minute. And if we can see and if all is clear, then we just cancel and go below the clouds to the Ember. It's only 25 miles or so. 10,000 feet, speed is 250, lights are on. Yeah, I think we can cancel. I'll cancel IFR.
Boston 365 Echo Alpha, like to cancel IFR, go direct Embry and stay on the code, please, for advisories.
365 Echo Alpha, Roger, maintain VFR, and remain on the code for advisory.
Echo Alpha, thanks.
Dial at 3,000 feet, please. We do this, basically we can see debris from here.
65 Echo Alpha, you're going to continue your descent or you're going to level off?
Please continue to pattern altitude at Embry 5 Echo Alpha.
Roger that.
We do this with greatest caution. We need to make sure that the flight can be continued safely under VMC conditions. But we can see clearly here. So we're just going to go a little bit lower.
Echo Alpha, contact New York approach 132.75.
132.75, 365 Echo Alpha. New York 365 Echo Alpha, 5,000, descending 3,000.
365 Echo Alpha approach, roger, start altimeter 2950, maintain VFR.
2950, will maintain VFR, 365 Echo Alpha.
50, there's no airspace restriction here, Poughkeepsie is to the right.
Echo Alpha, contact approach 126.4, good day.
126.4, good day, 365 Echo Alpha.
Yeah.
New York 365 Echo Alpha, 3,000.
Good afternoon, Citation 5 Echo Alpha. Do you have the Embry's ATIS X-ray?
We have X-ray 365 Echo Alpha.
And you can dial in, please, 2,200 feet. This is the pattern altitude of Danbury. Checks.
5 Echo Alpha, do you have the latest weather for Danbury? Descend and maintain. Actually, go direct Danbury.
Direct Danbury, we have weather at Danbury, 365 Echo Alpha.
Other Golf, plan a visual approach 26.
Let me just clarify, he might not know that we are VFR.
New York from 5 Echo, just to clarify, we are VFR, we cancelled before. New York, did you copy from 365 Echo Alpha?
Say it again, please.
I just want to clarify, we are VFR, we cancelled IFR with the previous sector.
Who is that?
365 Echo Alpha, Citation.
You're saying you're VFR now?
That's affirmative, yeah, these information might not have gotten to you, we cancelled with the previous sector.
Yeah, they didn't tell me. Thanks for that, sir. Just enter right base 26. Contact tower now 19-4. Good day.
Thanks, turn the code, and we go to the tower, right base 26. Thank you, 5 Echo.
Citation 365 Echo Alpha, 10 miles, and the right base for 26.
365 Echo Alpha, Danbury Tower, report a 3 mile right base 26.
Report the 3 mile right base for 26, 365 Echo Alpha.
Looks good. At about 10 miles, at about 5 miles we're going to be at 200 knots, and we can run the list until the flaps, please.
Okay, before landing, autopilot.
Yes, checked, okay.
Seat belts.
Yeah, I'm getting a ding here.
Avionics.
It's all set.
Radar.
Not required.
Computations.
Got 98, yeah, checks.
Passenger advisory lights.
It's on.
Passenger seats.
They are all good. We stop here.
Okay, engine sync.
It's off.
Front idle.
It's normal.
Cross feed.
It's off.
Ignition.
They are coming on now.
Landing gear.
We wait for this a little bit. Could you call the 4 mile base, please?
3 mile.
Yeah, call them 3 mile base.
365 Echo Alpha, 3 mile right base 26.
365 Echo Alpha, clear to land 26.
Clear to land 26, 365 Echo Alpha.
Gear down, please.
Gear down, landing lights on. Okay, anti-skid.
Is on.
Flaps.
We roll them to full in just a second.
That's clear.
Usually we don't want to cross this antenna with less than 950 feet or so. Full depth speed checks.
Okay, autopilot yaw damper.
Is off.
Okay, before landing complete.
Thank you. Clear to land, confirm.
Yep, clear to land.
Feet. Check 3 greens, and here's the antenna at 950 that checks flight idle, and now we're going at rev speed down 6 degrees. Disregard. Two lights, 4 lights, 6 lights. 60 knots.
60 knots.
Idle. That was a perfect Danbury landing, good.
There's 5 Mike Charlie. Can you make a 180 and go sit behind where that Baron is? Columbia 5 Mike Charlie, can you turn around and go where that Cheyenne is over behind the whole short line?
Which direction is it? I don't see.
He's at the whole short line.
10-minute ground, citation 365 Echo Alpha, off 26 at the end, taxi executive.
Citation 5 Echo Alpha, taxi executive via Charlie.
Executive via Charlie, 365 Echo Alpha.
Alright, 454 Mike Charlie, I just got your release. Just be advised, you see where that Cheyenne is on your right, behind the whole short line for 26?
After landings, please.
Alright, when you come out and you're supposed to depart, that's where you're supposed to end up at, behind that whole short line, not down there. But clear for takeoff runway 26, direct car mount, maintain 3000.
Flaps.
15, yeah.
Ignition.
Off.
Pitot static.
Is off.
And you understand where you're supposed to hold at for now on?
They're retracted.
Anti-collision.
Off.
Anti-ice.
And lever was on.
Transponder.
You can put it back to 1200, please. And I got my number. Fuel is 1610.
Yep, sorry about that, Relay 95. Have a good day.
Well, thank you very much. That was a good flight.